英検第2回試験までもう間もなく。対策講座のお申し込みはお早めに。
Air pollution is a serious environmental problem affecting many cities worldwide. It is caused by the release of harmful gases and particles from factories, vehicles, and other sources. Breathing polluted air can lead to respiratory diseases, heart problems, and even premature death. Children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing health conditions are especially vulnerable. To reduce air pollution, governments need to enforce stricter regulations on emissions and promote the use of clean energy. Individuals can also help by using public transportation and conserving energy at home. Tackling air pollution is crucial for improving public health and ensuring a better quality of life.